Introducing our entire catalogue, 3D visualizations and virtual installation in augmented reality. The successor of our web-based virtual experience. Our new mobile app 2N AppeAR. Don't just imagine how 2N solutions will look, visualize them. View our interactive product portfolio. See 3D models, change the color variations, take them apart to see individual components and get all the useful technical information and documents you might need. Try our interactive catalogue. Using our new app, point at the product page of our catalogue with your phone and watch a 3D model appear. And a feature that architects and installers will find particularly useful. Display our products live with our virtual installation feature. It's simple. Just click and place it on a wall, adjust the positioning, take a photo, and share it. Don't you think the 2N IP style unit would look good in your next project? 2N AppeAR. Available now.